Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Dream Garage from Honda Canada. Let's get started. Today's tip, towing. Before you're ready to tow, there are a few steps you need to take. First, refer to your owner's manual to see what the towing weight limits are for your particular vehicle. Be sure to know the weight of your loaded trailer as well as the tongue load, as exceeding weight limits or improperly towing is very dangerous. Once you know you'll be towing safely within your vehicle's load limit, you'll need to mount the correct trailer hitch receiver on your vehicle. Next, it's a good idea to do an inspection of the trailer to make sure all lights, brakes, and other functions are in working order. It's also very important to do the same for your vehicle. Make sure it has been properly serviced and the tires, brakes, suspension, lights, and cooling system are all in working order. Last, do a final check after the trailer is connected to make sure the hitch, safety chains, brake plug, and all other attachments are secure. Now you're ready to tow. Okay, let's move on to trivia. Today you'll be playing for a Honda roadside safety kit as well as the first aid kit. Question: what is the towing capacity of the 2020 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition? Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.